Medical N95 respirators. Vertical folded N95 that meet Health Canada guidelines. Made in Ronco's manufacturing facility in Woodbridge, Ontario. How to wear the 6335 N95 mask. First, read the pamphlet found inside the respirator packaging for detailed how-to instructions. Always sanitize hands before handling respirator to ensure to avoid contamination. Remove the respirator from the bag. Make sure your hands are clean or you're wearing gloves. Separate the two flaps while the two straps hang free. Hold the respirator against your face and bring the upper strap over your head. Then bring the lower strap across your head, around the neck, under the ears. Make sure the head straps are secured and not twisted. Pinch the nose clip with both hands to take the shape of your nose. Cover the front of the respirator using both hands. Then inhale and exhale sharply to check if air leaks. If air leaks around the nose clip or the edges, readjust the respirator and repeat user seal check. How to remove the 6335 N95 mask. Without touching the outside of the respirator, slowly remove the bottom strap over your head. Then lift the upper strap over your head and remove the respirator, making sure that the outside of the respirator is not touching your face. Dispose of the respirator in accordance with your local hazardous material handling regulations and guidelines. Contact us now to order your free sample.